Exceptions to the statute of limitations in motorcycle accidents in Colorado. Motorcycle accidents can result in devastating consequences, both physically and emotionally. In Colorado, as in many states, there exists a legal framework that sets a time limit, known as a statute of limitations, within which a lawsuit must be filed. This period typically spans 3 years from the date of the accident. However, it is crucial to understand that there are exceptions to this rule, which can provide an avenue for individuals to seek legal recourse even after this time frame has elapsed. What are statutes of limitations? Statutes of limitations are legal mechanisms that establish the time period within which a lawsuit must be initiated. These time limits vary based on the nature of the case and the jurisdiction in which it is being pursued. It ensures that cases are resolved in a timely manner and that evidence, as well as the recollections of witnesses, remain fresh and reliable. In Colorado, the standard statute of limitations for personal injury claims, including those stemming from motorcycle accidents, is 3 years from the date of the incident. This means that, generally, a lawsuit must be filed within this time frame to be considered valid. One significant exception to the statute of limitations in motorcycle accidents is the application of the discovery rule. The discovery rule allows for the statute of limitations clock to commence from the moment the injury or the cause of it was either discovered or should have been reasonably discovered. This exception becomes particularly relevant in cases where injuries are not immediately apparent after the accident. For example, if a motorcyclist sustains an injury that manifests as a chronic pain condition over time, the statute of limitations may initiate when the condition is diagnosed. Several landmark cases have established and refined the application of the discovery rule in Colorado. These cases have set important benchmarks for when the clock starts ticking in situations where injuries are not immediately evident. The statutes of limitation for personal injury claims are generally set by Colorado statutes, but court cases refine the application of these statutory rules. Colorado law also accounts for minors and individuals with legal disabilities, offering specific provisions to accommodate their unique circumstances. It is important to note that determinations regarding legal disabilities and the tolling of statutes of limitations are made on a case-by-case basis. Courts carefully examine the circumstances and evidence to ascertain whether an individual's condition warrants an extension of the time frame. Conclusion: understanding the exceptions to the statute of limitations in motorcycle accidents in Colorado is vital for individuals seeking justice after a traumatic incident. The discovery rule and provisions for minors and individuals with legal disabilities offer essential avenues for those who may have initially missed the filing deadline. For expert legal guidance and assistance tailored to your specific situation, it is recommended to consult with experienced personal injury attorneys who are well-versed in Colorado statutes of limitations. If you sustained injuries in a Colorado motorcycle accident, contact our knowledgeable Denver motorcycle accident lawyers to discuss your case in a free consultation. FAQs? Q1. What happens if I file a lawsuit after the statute of limitations has expired? A1. If you file a lawsuit after the statute of limitations has expired, the court is likely to dismiss your case. Q2. Can the statute of limitations be extended in exceptional circumstances? A2. In rare cases, courts may grant extensions to the statute of limitations, but this typically requires compelling and well-documented reasons within Colorado law. Q3. Are there different statutes of limitations for property damage claims in motorcycle accidents? A3. Yes, statutes of limitations for property damage claims may differ from those for personal injury claims. Q4. What if the at-fault party in the motorcycle accident is a government entity? A4. Claims against government entities often have shorter filing deadlines and specific procedures. In Colorado, you must file a special claim with the correct entity or entities within 180 days of the incident. Q5. How can I ensure I meet the statute of limitations for my motorcycle accident claim? A5. Seeking legal advice promptly after an accident is crucial. An attorney can guide you through the process and ensure you meet all necessary deadlines.